Hi, I'm gonna talk about Imogene's Antlers today. It was written by David Small and published in 1985. So, this is a really cute story about a little girl that sprouted antlers one day. And everybody's rushing around trying to figure out why and how to get rid of the antlers, or to take care of the problem, or hide the fact that she has these giant antlers. Anyway, this book belongs in the picture book category because without the pictures, you wouldn't understand the story, and without the words, you wouldn't understand the pictures. So the pictures and the words go hand in hand to create this beautiful story about a little girl who just goes on with her day as usual, or at least tries to, while the rest of her family kind of freaks out. Anyway, some things. I'm going to go ahead and read you a little bit of the story that I really think is really funny. On Thursday, when Imogene woke up, she found she had grown antlers. Getting dressed was difficult. And see here, you wouldn't really understand how difficult it was if you didn't have the pictures. And going through the door now took some thinking. Imogene started down for breakfast, but got hung up. Now here it would be really difficult to understand quite what the author meant by that if there weren't for the illustrations, which showed that by hung up, she was literally being hung from the chandelier. And you can see up here that her brother is laughing at her little predicament. So Imogene's mother fainted right away. And the doctor poked around and prodded and scratched his chin. Could find nothing wrong. So this perfectly healthy girl sprouted antlers. And nobody knew why. And everybody was freaking out trying to figure it out. Anyway, it's a really cute little story. I would suggest you take a gander at it and decide for yourself if you really want to read it. And if you read it, you'll find out if they actually help her out, or if the antlers go away, or if they stay forever, or if something else mysterious happens.